or go to math.com, click on the calculus, go down there, way down there. Let's see, where are we? 4.1. Looks good. Alright, let's write all that down. Use method of substitution, it says, to do something. X cubed minus 3x plus 1 raised to the fourth power dx. Alright, I got it. I got it. If you didn't get it, here's a second chance. So we got the integral 4x squared minus 4 over x cubed minus 3x plus 1, and it's all raised to the fourth power dx. Alright, so you're like, well, what in the world am I going to use to do this with? Let's remember, we always let usually what's in parentheses raised to a power. We're going to let that be our u. Okay, see how this works out. Take the derivative, du is equal to 3x squared minus 3. Let's put a parentheses around that, dx. Well, here's the funny thing. We got a 4x squared minus 4 up here. We got a 3x squared minus 3. That doesn't look like anything like this up here. And what are we going to do now? Well, I'll tell you what. Let's factor out this 3. Just pull it out. That's all you got to do. Pull it out. Alright, we have an x squared minus 1. If I was to rewrite this, we'll put equals sign here, and I pulled out that 4, we'd have an x squared minus 1. So be careful here. Go ahead and rewrite. That's all raised to the fourth power dx. Well, we have an x squared minus 1, an x squared minus 1 dx. We've got this 4 here, but we've got a 3 here, but that's okay. Go ahead and isolate this part here, solve for it. In other words, bring this 1/3 over. Du is equal to x squared minus 1 dx. X squared minus 1 dx. We're going to replace that with the 1/3 du. You can go ahead and take this 4 and get it on out of the way. So we bring the 4 outside, right? It looks like I'm going to rewrite this again, making sure you get the clear picture here. Raised to the fourth power dx. Alright. Like I said, the x squared minus 1 dx gets replaced with the 1/3 du. What do we do with the 1/3? We bring it out front. So 1/3 times 4 is just 4/3. That gets replaced with the 1/3 du, but we took the 1/3 out front, so we're just going to go ahead and write the du here. We have 1 over. This piece gets replaced with the u, and there we are. Okay, easy enough. Alright, now I guess we're going to have to rewrite this thing one more time so we can get it in a form we can take the integral of. So add 1 to the exponent, you get -3. Take the exponent, put it down below. Let's put a parentheses around that. Plus c, plus c. Okay, plus c. Okay, what do we got going on here? We'll have to take this negative and bring it out front. And then we have 4/9. And because we have a u raised to the -3, we're going to bring that down to the denominator here, plus c. Now we'll want to get everything back in terms of x. U, do we remember what that was? That was going to be the x cubed minus 3x plus 1. It's raised to the third power. We'll have to extend that out there, plus c. Alright, we got that? Let's see how that matches up with -4. Was that negative? Did I carry that negative out? Yeah, there's the negative. Okay, just making sure. Even though the negative's not centered here, but looks like it's down here in the denominator. And that's something I got to work on. Alright. Seems like I did work on it and fix that problem, and some screwy HTML crap came up. Alright, we're here at home. Go to math.com. Come on over, practice the substitution method. See you later.